Hi beautiful people, today I'll be showing you how I get my press-ons to last me at least 3 weeks and to look professionally done. So these are the nails I'm using. I got them on Amazon and I will put the link in the description box. They're pretty long, but who cares? They're so pretty and I love them so much. This glue is the truth. Your nails ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna file my nails until they bleed because the rougher I can get my nails to be, the better the press-on stick and the longer I'll have these nails for. Please take your sweet time with this step because it can make or break the whole process. So I'm just going to apply the glue. I'm going to put enough glue on there. And I'm just going to pop these suckers on. It's good to put some pressure on the nails just so the nails stick really well. So I'm using Sally Hansen's Miracle Gel Clear Coat, and I'm just going to put that on the nails just to make it shine. I love the shine it gives me. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you found this helpful. It's so easy to do. Anyone can do it. Stay safe. I love you so much and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.